Hi everyone. So this video is about notifications work done. So as you can see, I've come into my dashboard, and on this, under the to-do list, I've got notifications of work which I need to grade. Now it's always just the graded activities and discussions that come under, because we don't have to grade grade the non-graded discussions, so we don't get notifications for them. So these are the graded ones. You can get notifications via your email work that I need doing, because I've got the emails that come to my phone, and so I can see throughout the day what work people have done. So to be able to receive notifications, you go into your account by email and you click on notifications. Sorry, that went off. Let's bring it up again so you can see. Come on, there we go. Nope. There we go. So it gives a little pull out. So you just click on that notifications there, and it'll take you to this page here. Okay, so you just tick the ones that you want to receive notifications for. I just ticked them all. Well, you don't have to, most of them, but just so it was mainly to find out what kind of notifications I get. But even though most of them are ticked, it's usually just the students' work that I get notifications of. So I definitely click anything that says submissions or submission content, just in case. Then your discussions, your discussion and your discussion post. So those are the things that you can get notifications to email for, or even to your text, to your mobile phone by text. But emails work fine for me, and living in the UK, the text messages don't really work for me. And then I think these are your inbox ones that you can get notifications, get straight to your email. So that's one thing you can do to make sure you get notifications to your email. As you can see, I've got a notification. Let's go straight to this one. Right, I'm going to my home page, and I've got a notification that I've got email in my inbox. But if you have those sent to your email address, you can just reply to them straight from your email address. You don't have to come into dashboard into your classroom to be able to answer those emails. Okay, so here I am in my class, so I've got my notifications, my to-do list on this side, and this is one way in which you can grade as well. You can just click on the writing activity, and it'll go straight to the grading page. That's one way you can grade. I very rarely use it, but especially when there's more than one day's work, which there is here because I've been saving it to do this video. Even though these are done in order, and if I got any more notifications than that, I'd have a drop down menu and I wouldn't see them straight on the page. But I do if I'm in a rush, and if there's only one, then quite often I will do that. But that's one way you can do it. Another thing I want to talk about notifications is about notifications of your comments that you send to your students when you're grading the feedback. So as you can see, so I'm a student in my coordinators training class, and it's got here recent feedback. So any feedback to my work that my coordinator gives me appears under here, and I can just see it. If you've written a lot, they might have to click on it, and so you can see the rest of it, but it's right there. But the reason why we get so many questions about how do students see my feedback, when it's right there, is because of this to-do list. And if you use your calendar, if you put links to your lessons in the calendar, they all appear under this to-do list, and so it knocks the recent feedback further and further down the page until eventually it disappears, depending on how many lessons you've got on there. So I understand why people like to use the calendar, but it's a choice, really. You've got to choose between the calendar or your students seeing your feedback. So that's your choice. And I chose to not use the calendar because this is the only platform that we've used for online seminary that has a calendar. So I'm so used to not using it, so it made no difference to me. And I put on like a link on my homepage for the lesson which they have to do that day. So that's how I prefer to do it. So the students can see my feedback. So there's how you can receive, where you find your notifications and receive notifications via email for your for work done in online seminary. And I hope that's helpful. Thank you. Bye.